So Ritvik, first of all, big congratulations. Teaser aaya, it looks amazing. It looks intense. Tell me something. How much are you excited? First of all, seeing the poster which is behind you.
I'm very excited. I think it's a very cool poster, and when they were conceptualizing it, I was quite kicked about it. Also, I think it's come out very well.
Yeah,
Kafi cool.
yeah. We just want to see.
Take the poster.
Yeah. Continue. Okay, so the zip thing, so especially for what is the zip thing in the mouth. So anything which you want to say, what's the idea behind that?
The idea behind it is that sometimes you need to learn when to unzip your mouth and speak, because you need to speak up, stand for yourself, and stand for what's right. And the idea behind that is that, yeah.
Okay, it's looking, it's intense, and we will definitely see something interesting. Whatever you can say about this project, क्या होगा?
I, as an audience, as a viewer, as a reader of the script, I genuinely think that बहुत कम ऐसे कहानियाँ होती हैं जो फिक्शनल होती है, but at the same time इतनी exciting, इतनी dramatic और इतनी ज़्यादा engaging होती है. I don't know how the show is cut right now. We've not seen the show. None of us have seen it. It's still being made. It's going to be out very soon, 16 December. You've got to watch it. Once you watch it, let me know, because I, as an audience, really felt that I was reading a very engaging script. I was reading something about certain aspects in our country that we just need to know and learn, and of course it's a fictional take, but we speak about a lot of things that one as a citizen should just know. Right. So I hope it'll give a lot of information. It'll also give you a lot of entertainment at the same time, and that's a great balance to have.
Right. It's associated with the medical field, with, I believe, with the examination thing. How much is it, because it is mentioned that it is inspired by true events. So as an actor, how responsibly you do such characters when it is inspired by true events?
Well, because the operative word here is inspired, because you're inspired from true events and you're inspired from real life characters. I didn't have to really go out there and understand the real events and the real people, is because the kind of research that was done into making this script, which is a fiction again, I just had to read it. Very honestly. So the only responsibility I had was to be true to the script, and I've signed up for this character, and I've got to be honest to it, be genuine with it, and that was my only responsibility. Hopefully, most of it has come out well.
And inside to your character, what are you playing?
I'm playing a guy called Dr. Sanket, who's in his final year as a doctor who's studying, and he gets enticed to this honey trap, which he becomes a part of, and then later, unless he really has a personal life consequence to it, he does not realize what he's gotten into, and from then on he becomes the whistleblower. Right.
Any special preparation for this character?
I read the script around 100 times. And no, I spend a lot of time with the showrunner, with the writer, and with the director of the show, because they had such in-depth understanding of what they were trying to make, and for years they've been writing it and trying to make it. So all I had to do was just spend time with them and understand why they did what they did. Why are they saying the story that they want to say, and what do they expect from an audience to gauge from what they are doing. That's all I needed to understand, because generally if I understand a project as an audience, it's good enough for me as an actor. Right. So that.
And how was it working? We have Sonali ji, we have Sachin sir, we have Ankita also. How was it working with all three?
It was absolutely fantastic, and not just the three of them. There's Ravi sir, there's Ashish, there's Riddhi. There's so many more people who are absolutely fantastic, and I'm just lucky and very blessed that such an early stage of my career I'm working with such fantastic actors. I'm only learning on a daily basis.
Yeah. From the audience point of view, do you think people who have seen you in Bandish Bandit and they are still in love with that character, कितना different होगा आपको इस character में देखने में?
बहुत different. It's a little scary also, because I know that people have already made a notion about me, and there's a certain sort of acceptance to the way I was in Bandish, and because he's so poles apart, Dr. Sanket, that I'm playing here, it's a little scary if it'll be accepted or not accepted. I just know that I really did this with all my heart, so hopefully people will receive it all with all their heart also.
Okay, last two question. Any particular scene which you have done and you are really proud of that scene, like you think you have outdone yourself?
None. No, I haven't outdone myself anywhere. I've just about done what I could, and the director, I must say, Manoj Pillai, has really juiced what he wanted to out of me, and hopefully that comes out well.
And apart from this, any upcoming projects where we can see you?
So many more, but today we'll just talk about Whistleblower.
Okay, thank you so much. And show ka baara and anything that you want.
16th December on Sony Live, streaming The Whistleblower. Please watch it and let us know.
Thank you.
Thank you.